Hello viewers, in this video you are going to see the National Museum of Prague City, which is located in capital of Czech Republic. Prague City is one of the historically important city in the Europe. This National Museum was founded in the April 15 in the year of 1818. The main museum building is located on the upper end of Wenceslas Square. At present, National Museum houses almost 14 million items from the area of natural history, arts and music, which is located in the dozens of buildings. The important parts of the collection is jewelry, panel painting, wooden sculpture and weapons. These objects are having high historical value and high artistic value. The data about the history and culture of people of Czechoslovakia and the other nations of Europe from the end of the 17th century to the present day. It should be noted, however, that much of the focus is placed on Slavic nations, and the collections of the department are filled with simple wood and ceramic objects, which show the gradual shift from rural society to one that has become increasingly urbanized. The main museum building was also damaged during the construction of Prague Metro in the year of 1972 to 78. The opening of the North-South Highway in the 1978 in two sides of building resulted in the museum being cut off from the city infrastructure. This also led to the building suffering from an excessive noise level, a dangerously high level of dust and constant vibration from the heavy road traffic. Due to major reconstruction, the museum was closed between 7 July 2011 to 28 October 2018. 7 million items had to be removed to the museum's depositories, which what has been dubbed the biggest moving of museum collection in Czech history. The National Museum at present contains several million items of material in three main parts: the Natural Museum, the Historical Museum, and the Library. The National Museum is the largest museum in the Czech Republic. It covers a range of disciplines and collecting fields from the natural sciences to specialized areas of social sciences. It brings together collections of materials documenting the development of nature and the history and prehistory of both Czech and foreign origins. The museum exhibits are located in a number of buildings around the Prague. The National Museum also organizes a range of cultural and educational programs. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more and famous historically important places in Europe, please click the link which is given below. And viewers, don't forget to subscribe this channel.